the vestibule of the mouth opposite the second molar tooth. In the vestibule of the mouth opposite the second molar tooth. Okay, that is what the factor is. Now, so if this is the masseter, so this duct is basically passing anterior to the masseter and piercing the vaccinator. Done. Now here you have two more structures. One is highly tortuous. What should this be? Behind it there is a structure which is not tortuous but very thin walled. So that will be the facial vein. So we have got the facial artery, we have got the facial vein, we have got the masseter, we have got the parotid duct, we have got the parotid gland, and here it is piercing through the vaccinating muscle. What is this muscle that is present around the lips? Oris. If it is oral cavity, then it is oris. If it is around the eye, clear? Done. Now, so this was our base of the skull. Now here you are able, আচ্ছা ওদেরকে না এটা দেখাতে পারিনি, ওদেরকে বলে দিতে হবে। এখানে একটা নার্ভ দেখতে পাচ্ছিস, হ্যাঁ এটা হচ্ছে মার্জিনাল ম্যান্ডিবুলার। ওকে, দিস নার্ভ ইজ বেসিক্যালি দ্য মার্জিনাল ম্যান্ডিবুলার নার্ভ। আর এখানে একটা নার্ভ আছে, সি দিস ইজ ইয়োর superficial fascia with the platysma. Okay, if this is the superficial fascia with the platysma, then here you are finding a nerve that is going to cervical branch of facial. This is a cervical branch of the facial. Now, here we are getting to the triangle of the neck. So you're dealing with the anterior triangle. So this is the anterior medial line extending from symphysis menti. Then it will go down like this. This is the sternum, right? So this is the sternal notch. So till here. So what is this muscle? How did you identify? Because we have the clavicle and the sternum. So this muscle is coming from here, going backwards. So this muscle is here we are getting a muscle. Okay. Look very carefully where it is going and how. Yes, sir, if you are talking about this muscle, what is its relationship with that of the sternocleidomastoid? It is basically present deep. Behind bolena, it is present deep. And if you actually pull to this side, দেখো কোথায় নড়ছে? Yes sir, it is basically moving towards the clavicle, right? Now if I hold this and pull this, see the movement is here. So what is this muscle? Yes sir, this is basically the omohyoid, and this particular muscle is the superior belly of the omohyoid. Okay, this is basically the superior belly of the omohyoid muscle. Okay, this is the superior belly of the omohyoid muscle. Now, if this is the superior belly of the omohyoid muscle, this is the sternocleidomastoid, this is the superior belly of omohyoid. Now here, একটুখানি ওই সাইডে জানালে দেখতে পাবি না। এখানে একটা মাসল দেখতে পাচ্ছ উইথ আ ভেরি হোয়াট ইজ দিস মাসল? anterior হবে না posterior? Okay, जैसे this is basically the posterior belly of digastric. So you are getting a triangle which is bounded by sternocleidomastoid, superior belly of omohyoid, posterior belly of digastric. What triangle are we looking at? Carotid triangle. We are looking at the carotid triangle. Okay, we are looking at the carotid triangle. Now, if you are looking towards the carotid, তার মানে এইটা হচ্ছে superior belly of omohyoid, এটা sternocleidomastoid, and here you have found the posterior belly of digastric. তাহলে স্যার এই যে পুরো ট্রায়াঙ্গেলটা, this triangle is carotid triangle. Now, in the carotid triangle, we definitely know there was a carotid sheath which has been removed, but this structure is actually lying superficial most. এটা দেখে কি মনে হচ্ছে? What is this? What should this be? Yes sir, it should be a nerve plexus. So what is this nerve plexus? Yes sir, this is the ansa, and this ansa basically goes and supplies this muscle. It's a key muscle. Yes sir, definitely supplies the other strap muscles, right? But এখানে একটা branch আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি, we are actually able to see a branch, and see as we are moving this, see your omohyoid is also moving. Right? So that is basically the branch from ansa going to the superior belly of omohyoid. Okay, it is going to the superior belly of the omohyoid. Now, if this is going to the superior belly of the omohyoid. So what are the other structures that are present here? So the other structures are, sir, what is this?
Internal jugular.
This is the internal jugular vein. What is this?
Common carotid.
This is the common carotid artery. What are the two branches of
Internal
the
and
common
external.
carotid? So this one is external and this one is internal. সব সময় মনে রাখবে যেটা পিছন দিকে থাকে that is the internal, যেটা সামনে দিকে থাকে that is the external. Because external is supposed to supply the face and the neck region, so it is going to remain anteriorly. Okay. So this is your external carotid, this is your internal carotid, this is your internal jugular vein. আর এটার পিছনে আগের ব্যাচটাকে আবার দেখাতে ভুললাম, এই নাভটাকে, this is basically the vagus. এইটা হচ্ছে তোমার the vagus nerve. Okay, this is basically the vagus nerve. So the vagus nerve basically lies posterior to these two structures. Okay, as a part of the carotid shield, as a part of the carotid shield. Okay, now the next structure is here. Eta ki sir? The posterior belly of the digastric. This is the posterior belly of digastric. Now if you trace it anteriorly, you will be able to see the anterior belly of digastric. It is basically attached to this undersurface of the mandible. That means the digastric fossa. Okay, and now this is accompanied by a muscle here. দেখো এটা ঠিক উপর জায়গাটা মাসেল আছে, এটা না, এটা তো ফেশিয়াল। এই যেটাকে টানলে দেখো, এই দেখো এটা মাসেল বোঝা যাচ্ছে। দেখো দুটো স্ট্রাকচার একসাথে আছে, চিন্তা নেই, ইন্ডিভিজুয়ালি কেউ বলবে না, ওখানে দুটো স্ট্রাকচার একসাথে পাবে, ঠিক আছে? So the other structure is the stylohyoid. The other structure is stylohyoid. Now the last structure that you will come across here, এখানে একটা নার্ভ থাকার কথা। Okay, so this nerve is the hypoglossal. Okay, though দেখে মনে হচ্ছে যে স্যার it is present in the carotid, it is not a part of the carotid, it basically remains above it. Okay, it's a part of the digastric. It's basically a part of the digastric. Clear, sir? Understood, sir? Okay, fine. Next 15.